In front of me is Honor Magic V3, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section over here, Security and Privacy. Now to access Privacy, scroll all the way down and click over here. Finally, you can click on Permission Manager and select any feature you want to manage, like camera. Tap on one of your apps under one of those categories and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Camera access for this app allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first option, so when I tap and go back, I can start Chrome just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using it. But you can also select any feature. Look for an app that you wish to manage instead and click on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!